Hi everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. This week I'm going to show you how to make an easy Malaysian curry chicken with potatoes. This particular chicken curry is very popular among the Chinese families in Malaysia. It is as easy as counting 1, 2, 3 to make this curry dish. I have my own version and I'm going to show you how to make it in 3 simple steps. If this sounds interesting to you and you want to know how I make my curry chicken dish, stick around and watch till the end of the show. If you enjoy watching my videos and my recipes, please remember to subscribe below and click on the bell for notification. Now back to my Malaysian curry chicken. Step number 1 is to marinate the chicken. Step number 2 is to make the spice paste. Step 3, let's cook our chicken and potatoes. Okay, all the preparation is done for step 3. I have the potatoes, the marinated chicken from step 1. I have the spice paste from step 2. Other ingredients that I'll be using in step 3 for the cooking: 3 sprigs of curry leaves, 1 cinnamon stick and 3 star anise. The other key ingredient for making this Malaysian chicken curry is using a very good curry powder. Now, I always use an Ayam brand curry powder. Ayam brand is a household name for Chinese families in Malaysia and Singapore. It was founded by a French citizen by the name of Alfred Cloyd. He founded the Ayam brand in 1892 in Singapore. I also like to use the Ayam brand coconut milk to go with my curry chicken. Heat up about 1 cup of cooking oil and toss in the 3 star anise and cinnamon stick. You can see that it's bubbling around it. We can add in the spice paste that we have blended. Now we can add in the Ayam brand curry powder. Add 1.5 cups to 2 cups of chicken stock. Bring it to a boil. Put in the chicken. cover it with a lid. At this stage, if you like, you can season with a little bit of salt and sugar according to your own taste. Here is the Malaysian chicken curry, my version, Chicken Curry 101. Well folks, that's the end of my show. I hope you like the recipe that I shared with you today. A very simple, 3 easy steps, Malaysian chicken curry, my version. And the best part is to eat it. I hope you do try out the recipe at home. If you do, let me know how you go by putting the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I hope you will subscribe and also click on the bell for notification. See you then next week. Until then, happy eating and happy cooking. Ciao.